how to add a new email account on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how to add multiple email accounts onto your mobile. So the first thing we need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone, and then you can scroll right down to the bottom of the page and select apps. Now scroll down again until you see the Mail app and go and select it like so. You can then press Mail Accounts, and here you'll find all of the accounts that you currently have added. So to go and add another email account, just press the Add Account button. You can then press Choose from a list, and then you'll need to select your email provider. So mine's a Gmail account, so I'm going to select Google, and then you'll need to press Open Browser, and then just go through the steps to sign into your account. Now once your account has been added, go and select it from the list and just make sure Mail is toggled to on like so. You can then head back over to your iPhone home screen and go and open up the Mail app. If you click on the back arrow in the top left hand side, you'll see all of your different email accounts. Now you can just click on all inboxes at the top of the page, and this will load all of your emails between all of your different accounts.